Oppo Reno 14 is here and it's absolutely stunning. With its ultra-slim 7.42mm profile, lightweight 187-gram build, and premium glass design, this phone is a true head-turner. In today's video, I'll be unboxing it, sharing my first impressions, and giving you an exclusive look before the official launch on May 15th. Plus, I'll reveal why this device might just be one of the most stylish phones of the year. So stick around to see every detail. You won't want to miss this. This video has been shared by my tech partner from China, so a big thanks to him for that. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. In this video, we're unboxing the brand new Oppo Reno 14. This generation of Reno packaging takes a stylish turn with an all-silver design featuring the signature fishtail texture. Inside the box, you'll find a fully transparent phone case and the 80-watt charging kit. The phone itself comes in the stunning Midsummer Green color and feels like a larger version of the iPhone mini in hand. It features the same large R-angle straight screen design, measuring 6.59 inches, with a sleek metal frame and impressively narrow black borders. The right-angle metal middle frame has a slightly curved edge, seamlessly merging with the screen and back panel, providing a comfortable grip. The back panel itself is crafted from integrated cold-carved glass, adding a premium touch to the device. The Oppo Reno 14's back panel is crafted from an exquisite skin-friendly velvet glass, offering a silky smooth feel reminiscent of baby soft skin. One of the standout features of this material is its resistance to fingerprints, keeping the device looking pristine even with frequent use. While the signature mermaid color with its fishtail texture undoubtedly makes a statement, I find myself drawn to the understated elegance of the Midsummer Green variant. Its subtle charm perfectly complements the phone's sleek and refined design. The Oppo Reno 14's camera module seamlessly merges with the back panel, crafted from a single piece of glass using advanced integrated cold carving technology. On closer inspection, you'll notice the meticulous attention to detail. The edges of the height difference are exceptionally well finished, creating a smooth, refined transition. The camera module itself has a glossy finish, matching the back panel's color while exhibiting a subtle play of light, giving it a distinct visual appeal. This time, Oppo has opted for a triple camera setup. Two of the lenses are elegantly framed in silver rings, reminiscent of the iPhone's design, a concept Oppo calls the dynamic star pupil. The third lens is positioned precisely on the perpendicular bisector of the two, harmoniously integrated with a silver runway ring that also houses the AI camera branding. Just below, you'll find the flash flanked by the decorative ring and lens, all evenly spaced. Oppo's dedication to detail truly shines through in this thoughtful and aesthetically pleasing design. I genuinely appreciate the effort put into making every element look and feel premium. The Oppo Reno 14 impresses with its sleek profile, measuring just 7.42mm in thickness and weighing a mere 187 grams. This combination of lightweight design and premium texture makes the Reno 14 undeniably stunning. As I mentioned earlier, the Oppo Reno 14 series is set to launch on May 15th. On that day, I'll be sharing a comprehensive, in-depth review to give you all the insights and details. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.